significant figures. Every experimental measurement has some amount of uncertainty associated with it. What do you mean by this? If an experiment is carried by three different students, they give three different values of experimental results. The original value of the experiment will be compared with the results given by the students, and we will be giving you the result in terms of two words. One is precision and the second one is accuracy. What is precision? Precision refers to the of various measurements closeness of various measurements for the same quantity, whereas accuracy means to say the of a particular value agreement of a particular value to true value agreement of a particular value to true value of the result. What is this? Let us understand with an example. Let us understand. For an experiment, the true value is 2.00 grams. True value is 2.00 grams. When I write this particular one, if I write this in two ways, let us understand this way. 2 grams is different, 2.00 grams. 2 grams is different, 2.00 grams is different. So if I write 2 grams, if I write 2.00 grams. If I am taking this particular one, for writing the experiment, let us say the student 1 has reported the value is 1.95 grams in the first reading and reported 1.98 grams in the second. Let us say another student number 2 has reported the reading is 2.01 gram and 2.03 grams. Let us say a third student has reported the values 1.99 gram and 2.01 gram. In all the three cases, if you observe, you can see the value is close. Which student is very much close to the true value? I can say the third student is very much close to the true value. But when you see this particular one, our concentration will be on the last two digits to how far he is close to the original value. If you see 2, we don't compare with 2, we compare with 2.00. That even the last two decimal values are very important for us in the consideration. So how many digits we take into consideration here? 3 digits we take into consideration. 3 digits we take into consideration to exactly compare the results of the students with respect to the true value. Comparing the 3 digits, we can say this particular person is having more precision, less accuracy. This also is having more precision and less accuracy. So we can say the accuracy is missing out because after getting 2.01 it is going away. So we can say this is also having precision with less accuracy. But you can say it is having both precision and accuracy. Closeness is there, also the agreement. So third one is said to have both precision and accuracy in his calculation. So the accuracy is more, precision is also more. Accuracy is more and precision is taken into consideration, comparing the every single digit, which gives you the importance of the reading. So considering this, if I say 2 grams, the number of digits that can be considered here will be only 1. But if I say the same 2 grams as 2.00, the importance comes for 3 digits over here. So the number of digits which gives you the importance for determining the certainty and uncertainty of a calculation is called significant figures.